Malaysian activist Lena Hendry faced her first day of trial at Duta court on Monday. Lena is charged under Section 6 of Film Censorship Act for organising a private screening of award-winning documentary No Fire Zone, The Killing Fields of Sri Lanka on July 3, 2013.
Persecuting me for screening a film is definitely against my freedom of expression as well. And if you look at the issue, it's about a human rights issue, and it's about an issue of alleged war crimes that was committed by a government, and the Malaysian government going on persecution. And what happened in court today also shows that not sure why they are still continuing to persecute, because if you look at media freedom, if you look at the government stand currently in UN, where they said that they support freedom of expression and they have actually signed on to the resolution in protection of human rights defenders. But back in Malaysia, they are going totally opposite of what they promised in the international arena, where they continue to persecute human rights activists for doing their work.
We have maintained since day one that a charge should not have been brought against Lena, because look at what the subject matter is. The subject matter, it's one of public interest. It's about the genocide in Sri Lanka. It's about human rights violations on a massive scale.
The documentary focuses on human rights abuses at the end of Sri Lanka's civil war. Human rights organisation Pusat Komas continued with a private screening despite pressure from the Sri Lankan government, whose forces were accused in the film of responsibility for war crime. 3 were arrested and Lena was subsequently charged. If convicted, she faces 3 years in prison and a fine up to 30,000 ringgit.